numericals. Now we have seen the last time that we have a numerical. This is 1.13. Page number 40. It is given that suppose there is a sphere of radius r. This is can be discussed that old atom it is the old model of atom. ये एटम का ओल्ड मॉडल है जिसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन सब जगह जो है ऐसे व्यवस्थित रहते थे. अभी हमको करना क्या है कि हमको बताना है इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड फाइंड करना है. वी हैव टू फाइंड द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड फाइंड करने के लिए पहले हमको करना है इनसाइड और दूसरी बार हमको करना है आउटसाइड. होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. एक बार इनसाइड करना है और एक बार आउटसाइड हमको इसका इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड फाइंड करना है. तो सपोज करो कि यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन इक्वल्स टू नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स दैट इज इक्वल्स टू z. हमेशा z होता है. तो चार्ज ऑन न्यूक्लियस विल बी प्लस ZE. तो जो न्यूक्लियस का चार्ज है वो प्लस ZE हो जाएगा. अब जो नेगेटिव चार्ज डेंसिटी है और रेस्ट ऑफ न्यूक्लियस जो है उसका चार्ज माइनस ZE हो. अब हम निकालेंगे चार्ज डेंसिटी. But this time I am calculating negative charge density. So negative charge density because it is the sphere. एक स्फीयर है तो इसका वॉल्यूम हो जाएगा. तो चार्ज डेंसिटी होता है चार्ज अपॉन वॉल्यूम. नेगेटिव चार्ज हमने माइनस ZE लिया है. वॉल्यूम हमने लिया है 4/3 पाई r3 where r is the radius of atom. क्लियर? एकदम क्लियर. वेरी फर्स्ट the numerical is based on the classical model of an atom. According to this, the positive charge is inside and negative charge is spread all over outside. Now to find the electric field inside or outside, first we have to know that what is the density of negative charge density, because when we will be planning the inside, that is R is less than R. So suppose we decide to calculate the electric field here inside, and I assume that at this point the electric field is capital A, capital E. Now consider taking this point, we have to draw a Gaussian surface. हमें Gaussian surface draw करेंगे यहाँ पे. We will draw Gaussian surface. Okay. So a Gaussian surface which is including the point where you want to calculate the electric field. Including the point where you want to calculate the electric field. जहाँ पे आप इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड फाइंड करना चाहते हो वहीं को उसको लेते हुए एक हमने स्फीयर के अंदर एक इमेजिनरी स्फीयर एज्यूम कर लिया और हम पता करना चाहते हैं कि व्हाट इज द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एट दिस पॉइंट. अभी हमें गॉस ने क्या सिखाया और हमने क्या सीखा. तो जब हम गॉस का एप्लीकेशन की बात करते हैं तो हमें मालूम है कि फ्लक्स जो यहाँ पे होगा वो फ्लक्स कितना होगा E इंटू एरिया, और एरिया हमारा क्या है 4πr². अब ये कैसे आया इसको समझो. तो हमने मान लिया कि जो हमने ड्रॉ किया है इसका रेडियस स्मॉल r है. द रेडियस ऑफ गाउसियन सरफेस, गाउसियन सरफेस का जो रेडियस है उसको r ले लेते हैं. ठीक है. तो उसका सरफेस एरिया लेना होता है. फ्लक्स में सरफेस एरिया आता है. ये जो मैंने चार्ज डेंसिटी इसमें वॉल्यूम का डिवाइड मारा, दोनों चीज अलग है. सो यहाँ हम लिखेंगे r इज लेस देन r. व्हाई वी आर राइटिंग द r इज लेस देन r? बिकॉज ऑफ वी आर इनसाइड द स्फीयर, वी आर इनसाइड द मॉडल एटम. ओके, this is the first equation. What Gauss says, now Gauss application according to the charge, how much charge is there, how much charge is there inside there, Z is there plus 4/3 pi r cube into density, because the Gaussian surface which we have drawn is having the positive charge as well as some negative charge. It is having positive charge as well as negative charge. So the charge enclosed, first we will calculate the charge only. Charge enclosed, charge enclosed is given by this. Finally it is ZE plus 4/3 pi r cube into density of charge, that is coming minus ZE upon 4/3 pi r cube. Now from here we can do the something. 4/3 pi to 4/3 pi will cut, that is equals to ZE minus ZE r cube upon r cube. When ZE will be taken common, it will be r cube upon r cube. This is the charge enclosed in the sphere of, very important it is, remember it's very important. It's a charge enclosed inside the sphere of this small radius r. So far how many things we have done? We want to calculate electric field inside this old model of atom and outside. For that we calculate charge on nucleus, that will be plus Jd. Rest of the, except the nucleus, whatever is the remaining part of the model sphere, the charge is negative of course, because every atom is always neutral. ठीक है, हर एक जो एटम होता है वो न्यूट्रल होता है, तो यहाँ पे माइनस जेड ही हो जाएगा. अब yes, this Z, what is Z? Z is your number of protons and number of electrons. That is always equal in an atom. Now, to calculate the charge density, we have to charge upon volume. Your charge is negative charge, because negative charge density I am asking about. Positive charge density, because positive charge is a point charge only, which is at the center only. तो पॉजिटिव चार्ज जो है वो एक सेंटर पे छोटा सा चार्ज है, उसका कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. ठीक है, तो पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव चार्ज रहेगा हमारे पास. तो नेगेटिव चार्ज डेंसिटी, बिकॉज अकॉर्डिंग टू द ओल्ड मॉडल this is only there. Okay, so let's go. So where r is the radius of the atom. Now from here we can calculate that flux is equals to the E into 4 pi r square by classical method, where r is less than r, because it is surface area. This is your surface area. Now charge enclosed inside a Gaussian surface can be Ze plus 4 by 3 pi r cube into rho. Rho's value is given this much. So it is charge equals to Ze 1 minus r cube upon this. ये इतना हो गया हमारे पास. इसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, अब हम गाउस लॉ लगाएंगे. गाउस लॉ लगाया, flux equals to charge enclosed upon epsilon 0. But we have already calculated the flux, that is E into 4 pi r square equals to Q. What is your Q? Ze 1 minus r cube upon r cube upon epsilon 0. Because we are looking for electric field, Ze 1 minus r cube upon r cube 4 pi epsilon 0 into r square. Okay, when we will simplify it, this is Ze upon 4 pi epsilon 0, it is 1 upon r square minus, sorry, it is your, yes, when 1 upon r square minus, this is your r cube upon r square into r cube. R square से r will cut, the electric field will be Ze upon 4 pi epsilon 0 1 upon r square minus r upon r cube. This is the final answer, that electric field inside this is going to be come, itna electric field aayega, this much electric field is there according to classical model of an atom, the electric field should be this much. Okay, now second case, where it is asked to us that what is the electric field outside. For that, we will draw again. This is what we were drawn over there. This is radius r. Suppose you are here. You are here and you want to calculate the electric field over here. So draw a Gaussian surface including this point. And suppose here electric field is E. Now according to Gauss, because here the positive and negative charge is same, so charge enclosed inside this Gaussian surface. So जो Gaussian surface के इसके अंदर जो चार्ज है वो जीरो हो गया. क्यों जीरो हो गया? क्योंकि because atom always is neutral, so as much positive charge the same amount of negative charge, so that because flux will also be zero, when charge is zero the flux will also be zero, and it implies that there will be no electric field outside. This is your second answer. So finally we can see that how much huge question is this and how much important question is this, that by taking the old model of atom we can say that uh, how the electric field can be calculated inside or outside. This is important. Okay, one more example we will consider here. Now 2.1, we have to calculate the potential. In 2.1 we have to calculate the potential such that a charge is given, its value is 4 into 10 raised to power minus 7 coulomb, and the point is located at 7 centimeter, and here we want to calculate the potential. Number 1. So this is the question, that how can we calculate the potential? So it's very simple. So this is our question number and its solution is started. From here we can see that potential at any distance is given by kq by r. K is your 9 into 10 raised to power 9. Q is given to you, that is 4 into 10 raised to power minus 7. 4 into 10 raised to power minus 7. R is 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. Okay. So 7 centimeter, 9 centimeter. I'm sorry. This is 9 centimeter. So centimeter will be converted into the meter and it will be written this 9 into 10 raised to power minus 2. 9 to 9 will cut. Now this negative power will go up and it will become positive power plus 11 and minus 7. That will be left 4. तो यहाँ पे 10 का पावर 4 आ जाएगा और ये हो जाएगा इंटू आपका 4 और यही है आपका आंसर. दिस इज योर आंसर. वोल्ट. Like this you can calculate the potential. Potential due to a given point can be calculated. Okay, second thing is asking the work done. So उस चार्ज को वहां से यहाँ तक लाने में वर्क डन कितना करना पड़ेगा. So we know that work done is equals to charge into potential. Here we can see that the charge is 4 into 10 raised to power minus 7 coulomb and the potential at this end is 4 into 10 raised to power 4. That is equals to 16 into 10 raised to power minus 3 joule. Or you simply write the J. Then also this is your answer. So like this you can calculate your sorry. Oh, 2 coulomb charge is bringing. I'm sorry, this is 2 coulomb charge. यहाँ पे 2 coulomb charge को लाने में कितना, तो 8 हो जाएगा. 2 4 जा 8. 8 into 10 raised to power 2 into 10 raised to power minus 9. 2 into 10 raised to power minus 9, then it will be equals to this. Actually, yes, because here we have calculated the potential. Now we want to bring some another charge. Suppose यहाँ से एक चार्ज है Q जिसका वैल्यू है 2 into 10 raised to power minus 9 coulomb. इसको we are bringing it. We are bringing in. For that we have to do the work. ठीक है, इसको हम अंदर ला रहे हैं इसलिए हमको काम करना पड़ेगा. We have to do the work. Hope you understand. This was one more numerical here. Similarly, we will see more numericals. Okay. Two charges are located 15 centimeter at what point on the line joining the two charges electric potential 0, take the potential at infinity be 0. Means in the next one question, that is your 2.2. What is given here? Two charges, one is positive, one is negative. एक चार्ज पॉजिटिव है, एक चार्ज नेगेटिव है, और दोनों के बीच द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम 3 इंटू 10⁻⁻8 एंड -2 इंटू 10⁻⁻8. This is first Q1, Q2. 3 into 10⁻⁻8, 2 into 10⁻⁻8 कूलम माइनस. दोनों के बीच का डिस्टेंस कितना है? 15 सेंटीमीटर. हमें बताना है द पॉइंट वेयर potential will be 0. As we know, because negative charge potential will be negative and positive charge potential will be positive. So because positive negative somewhere else between here, the electric potential will be 0. So what is that point which we are looking for here? So suppose potential due to this one, the potential is 0. It simply means that potential due to first one charge should be equals to potential due to second one charge. Or you also can write that the potential one positive minus negative should be equals to 0, because a one positive one negative can only make the 0 here. Or you also can write that V1 equals to V2. Now the question arises, suppose from the first charge at the distance of x, if we are measuring the distance from their centers, the rest of the distance will be 15 minus x. If the first distance is x, the second distance will be 15 minus x. और यहाँ पे हम बोल सकते हैं कि ये कितना हो गया? k q1 upon r1 equals to k q2 upon r2. k से k will cut, k से k will cut, k से k कट जाएगा, cancel, it will cancel. Now q1 is your 3 into 10 raised to power minus 8 upon x. Now q2 is your 2 into 10 raised to power minus 8 upon 15 minus x. 2 से sorry minus 8 से minus 8 will also cut. So this minus minus will also be cancel each other. Now if you cross multiply, you will get 3 will multiply here and 2 will multiply here. So on doing the cross multiplication, 3 into 15 minus x is equals to 2 into x. It simply means 45 minus 3x equals to 2x. It simply means 45 equals to 5x. It simply means x equals to 45 by 5, it simply means 9. So x equals to 9 indicates that from the first charge at 9 centimeter, from the first charge at 9 centimeter, potential will be 0, or from the second charge 6 centimeter, it will be 0. सो अगर हम पहले चार्ज से देखें तो 6 सेंटीमीटर 9 सेंटीमीटर आ रहा है हमारा आंसर, और अगर हम पीछे वाले चार्ज से देखेंगे तो यही आंसर हमको कितने पे आ रहा है, 6 सेंटीमीटर पे हमारा पोटेंशियल 0 हो जाएगा. ठीक है भाई, समझ में आया? हाँ आया समझ में? ऐसे क्वेश्चन बोर्ड में आते हैं. बोर्ड मोस्टली आज सच टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन ओनली. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हमारे को दो चार्जेस दिए थे. टू चार्जेस वर गिवन टू अस. ओके, टू चार्जेस वर गिवन टू अस, है ना, and we were to calculate the distance of a point where potential is going to be 0. Because potential is going to be 0, it is maybe possible. Reason is very simple, because one charge is positive and the another charge is negative. So it is maybe possibility that somewhere else between the line joining the both the charges, a point can be obtained where electric potential may be 0. For that, we assume that suppose that point is x centimeter distance from the first charge, and similarly because the distance between the both the charges is 15 centimeter, so distance from the other charge of the same point will be 15 minus x. Now because the potential is 0, so that it simply means that potential, because which are in opposite direction, or one is positive one is negative, so v1 minus v2 will be 0, or you can say v1 equals to v2, or you can say that kq1 upon r1 equals to kq2 upon r2. So this will cut, 10 raised to power minus 8 to 10 raised to power minus 8 will cut, and 15 minus x into 3 and 2 into x. When you will simplify, you will get x is equal to 9. It simply means that it is the potential. Similarly, we can talk capacitance problems. We have already done. We have done the capacitors problem already, so no mean of talking about it. Okay, now it is said that same question is there. A parallel plate capacitor with air between the plates, capacitance is this. What will be the capacitance if the distance between the plate reduced by half? 2.5. He said that there is a capacitor whose capacitance is, say, if the distance between plates is d, the distance between the plate is d and there is air between the, and this is your capacitor. Then he is asking that a parallel capacitor plates has the distance capacitance 8 microfarad. Capacitance is given to you 8 microfarad. एक picofarad. Okay, मतलब 8 into 10 raised to power minus 12 farad, because 1 pico equals to 10 raised to power minus 12. If the distance between the plate is reduced to half and the space between them is filled with the substance of dielectric 6, वो बोल रहा है रिड्यूस डिस्टेंस हाफ कर दें और इसका दो चीज कर दें, डिस्टेंस हाफ कर दें मतलब 9, the distance becomes half. This was then, it is now. So new distance equals to the half of first one, and filled a new dielectric. तो हमने यहाँ पे एक नया डाइलेक्ट्रिक रख दिया of dielectric constant 6. So what will be the new capacitance? That is very simple. Epsilon 0, क्योंकि epsilon 0 तो यहाँ पे k times dielectric constant will be, because capacitance increases if you put the dielectric, but the distance will be d by 2, so it will become 2k epsilon 0 a by d, which is given to already. So c dash equals to 2k into c. Now 2 is 2, k is your 6, and c is given 8 picofarad. 8 picofarad. So finally you are coming to know 96 picofarad. This is your answer. इस टाइप से आपका जो है आंसर आ जाएगा. ठीक है गाइस, ओके. न्यूमेरिकल से मोबाइल काम नहीं कर रहा था इसलिए इस पे बनाया, अगली बार से